Wow, we got a great video for you today on how to have fun camping. That's right, we headed down to Hershey for the Great RV Show, and this thing is America's largest. It is amazing, all kinds of RVs, but the one that blew us away is the brand new 2025 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series 36D Class A RV. And boy, oh boy, is this one beautiful, and the price is fantastic. So no question about it, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Take a look, there it is, marked down $80,000 to $179,000. It is incredible. Definitely check out our channel, howtohavefuncamping.com. Hit the like button, hit the notify button. Check out our sister channels, How to Have Fun Outdoors, How to Have Fun Cruising, How to Have Fun Fishing. All kinds of travel around the world, cruises around the world, you name it. But take a look at the interior on this Class A for that price point is crazy. If you haven't, definitely check out our How to Have Fun Camping, subscribe. We got all kinds of videos like this one, the cottage. That's right, this thing is amazing. A cabin on wheels. But way more than that, take a look at this, the largest RV out there right now, fifth wheel, 530 square feet, the Catalina. How about this little guy you can pull with the Jeep? Let's go ahead and get started with the Class A. Guys, we got a great one for you today. That's right, take a look at this. You're not gonna believe it. It is huge, it is a monster. It is beautiful. That's right, folks. We're at the Hershey Show, and we got a Forest River monster rig for you. But this one might be the best deal ever for this type of unit. That's right. We got a Georgetown 7 Series. Look at that with the slide out, big old dualies on the back. And what do we got? That's right, 2025 Georgetown 7 Series 36D 260, marked down to $179,999. They're trying to move these bad boys with a monthly payment of only $1,189. Guys, you're in a big time rig right here. You're gonna be a rock star, pro basketball player. Let's take a look at what they got here at the show, 2025 model, and take a look at these seats. These things are amazing. Alice, it's time to trade in that Class B camper van and buy one of these big dogs. That's right. Take a look, Ford, a big old Ford chassis. Look at the size of that. Look at these big old bucket seats. These things are monsters. I mean, that is absolutely awesome. Big digital display there, huge window, nice pull down shades, overhead storage. Take a look at here, bring the grandkids, everybody else, any extra girlfriends that you have. Hey. All right, well, maybe not. But anyhow, pull down shade here. Take a look at this. Is nice. This is really nice. A little bit nicer than what we've seen on a lot of these RVs. But this is what we're looking at, folks. This is it. The Georgetown by Forest River GT7. That's on a V8 7.3 liter, 335 horsepower, 468 pounds of torque, 6-speed. You got the wine guard on there. You got all of this. Look at that, the Merlin solar. You got the Owen generator, power theater seating, Arctic package, so you're not going to get worried if it gets cold outside. You got the full body paint. You've got all the different layouts, the 32J7, the 36D7, and the 36K7. That's what these look like right here. So we're gonna walk you through this one. The colors are really nice. You can see you got your 2 cup holders right here. Beautiful white table, really nice dinette. Pull down shades. Alice, what do you think? I mean, this is pretty nice. You have to admit, for the price.
For the price is absolutely
I mean, for the price. I mean, there's Class B vans that cost this much. And take a look at the size of this and look at the quality. Like we've been talking about with these 2025 models, finally these manufacturers have listened and they've upped the quality a great deal. I mean,
absolutely.
During COVID, right after COVID, you were looking at these things, they were junk. I mean, the parts were falling off, different issues. But everything we've seen so far at the show, we're here at Media Day. Alice grew up in Italy. I grew up in America. We got married. She came here for a master's, didn't let her go home, and the rest is history. But she grew up in a Class C over in Italy, traveling all over Europe. She loves the outdoors. That's why we started How to Have Fun Outdoors. Now we have How to Have Fun Camping, How to Have Fun Cruising, How to Have Fun Fishing. Definitely subscribe to them all, motivate you to get outside, work-life balance. But talk about this kitchen. We do these, by the way, fast, if you can't tell, because so many of these guys, they'll do their reviews, YouTubers, and they do it for money, and they last forever, and you're bored to death. With us, we're going to go through it quick. We do this as a hobby. This is just a hobby for us. We love getting out there, working work-life balance, getting outside, having fun, looking at stuff that we don't always know everything about, but we like showing people. People like seeing it. Now we're at over 10 million views in just a couple of years. So what do we got, Alicia? Show them this.
Well, first of all, I want to underline how I like the contrast between the dark color and the light color that they use in this unit. So this is, for me, is a big plus. And in addition to what Tom underlined, you can feel the quality even just moving all these parts. Like for example, this is the cover for the burners, really good quality. And as you can see, one part that I like is that once you close it up, you have a huge countertop space that you can use for working. Another big plus of this unit, the sink. Look at the sink. They have a nice area for a cutting board. Here that is a rinse, additional rinsing here.
Yeah, you can strain your pasta right there, no problem.
And you can actually move this and use the bigger sink underneath. This is absolutely a fantastic idea. Really big sink, great windows. Right now it's very hot outside, so everything is down. But I really appreciate that to keep it cool. And look at the space for each one of these.
Yeah, I mean, these are huge.
And when you close it, I mean, it is absolutely nice the way it closes. You can feel that the quality really improved. Over here, convection microwave, and down here, a nice air fryer oven. And they're really, really nice as well.
And that's a full-size microwave. That's a big boy.
Oh, yeah.
And you got
here you have a big boy for the refrigerator and freezer.
Wow.
Oh, man.
Look at that. Look at that.
I was actually thinking that I was thirsty.
Yeah, these guys hooked us up. They heard How to Have Fun Camping was coming, and they got us some nice cold waters. Look at that, guys.
How much water you can store in your refrigerator.
This is pretty awesome. We're going to snake one of those.
Thank you. And then down here, a huge freezer.
Yeah,
nice.
That is awesome. And look at here, Thomas Paine collection. What?
Yeah, and this is
in an RV?
Yeah, this is movie night, guys. So if you have your friends over, your grandkids over, look at how many people they can actually sit here. At least 4, but honestly, you can squeeze in a little, and 6 people can actually just enjoy a nice movie with a fireplace.
Yeah, you've got your fireplace right here, really nice. Your beautiful sound bar. Look at all that with the connectivity, really cool. Your smart TV, Netflix, YouTube, can watch all the YouTube channels, more overhead storage. But that couch, this is no little small couch, and it's got a kind of a European flair to it, to me. I mean, this looks more European than the classic stuff they've been throwing in there. And take a look at the buttons on here, guys.
Yeah, you
can control everything. This is nice.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
Right now you're going to sleep, and then you can go back. And in addition to this, you have all the other things.
Yeah, you got the little massage button on there, the overhead light button on there.
Yeah,
I mean, you're flying first class on this rig. Wow, and look how open it is.
And heat.
Yeah, and the heat button. Very cool. But take a look at that. I mean, this is a really nice colors. You don't like a lot of these because they have that 70s, 80s look. But like you said, the dark and the white, that's kind of the tuxedo look. We love that. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's really nice. Now let's go to the bathroom. This is the smaller bathroom, one for guests and everything, but you still have a nice medicine storage. It's called like this, with another additional storage underneath the sink, so you don't lose anything. Great plug, towel holders, and the bathroom, the toilet.
Yeah, very nice.
Very, very nice.
More storage over here. Look at this.
Yeah, this is another big storage.
Wow.
With big drawers, containers here.
Wow.
That they are actually slowed down, so you don't break them.
Yeah.
Really, really great.
Let's open that bottom one. Let's see what's in here.
Yeah.
I mean, this is... Wow, they've done a great job for all your shoes. Look at that.
Yep.
Super nice. Wow.
Now let's talk about
and the wood is definitely more heavy duty. It's
very, very much heavy duty. So here is a goodbye. I want my private time. I just close this door, and my guests can still watch TV and have a great time.
So what do we got back
very
here?
nice. And
wow.
Here is the master bedroom. As you can see, a really big bed. Nice 3 windows on side. You have the area for washer and dryer over here. That is very nice. Actually, they are already inside in this unit, so very convenient. And over here, TV and a lot of big drawer. These are really big size drawer with a hangers area over here if you need them.
Wow. This is a really nice unit.
Yep.
How do you compare this to some of these buses we've been looking at for $2.5–3 million that we've done videos on? This is getting you awfully close to that for a fraction of the price. I mean, I don't know, dollar for dollar, Alice. I'm sorry, but this is starting to look more like the Tommy T program that
it's only Tommy T program.
Yeah,
it's not program.
I don't know. You like all those little roads in Europe, but we're in the US of A, and big highways and big rigs. So
and here is for not fighting with your husband type of sink. So you have his and hers with each one his own area for storage, and the common one also for additional and drawers. And a fantastic huge shower with the light on top.
wow.
Windows light on top.
I got to tell you, I'm impressed. I walked by this and I didn't think much. I looked at the price and we just came in for the fun of it.
Yeah.
We weren't even scheduled to do this video.
No, not at all.
And I'm just blown away. I mean, for the price, I mean, this you know, especially today, everything today, 2025
it's
is
so expensive.
crazy expensive, and you can get all of this. I mean, why buy a house? Just buy this and travel around.
That is a good point, Tommy.
Wow, this thing is crazy beautiful. And take a look, you got your CPAP station up there, 12 volt, already built in. All of your shades are great. A lot of side storage here for your phones. Everything you need, the pocket door, tons and tons of storage. I mean, this is crazy. With the washer and dryer, with the beautiful automated sofa, great galley, TV, entertainment area, huge windows. I don't know, Alice. This for me is best in class for the Class A's. I mean, this is a great deal, great price, marked down. I love the colors. You know, a lot of these have that old school look to them. This is starting to feel more European, but kind of a mix, you know, it's just modern, right? 2025.
Way more modern than these used to be, for sure.
So guys, you tell me, I mean, everybody back home, you heard the price point on this. What do you think? Comment down below. How do you value this versus a fifth wheeler, versus a big travel trailer like we've been showing you guys, versus an expensive Class B? Yeah, you can go everywhere in a Class B, but I don't know. This seems like dollar for dollar. This is pretty good overall. So, Alice, what do you got to say to everyone back home? Definitely comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. But, Alice, what do you think? What's your final?
But for sure, I improved the quality of the seats because I'm very comfy right now. Sorry, guys. No, I want to thank you for watching this video. Comment down below, like Tom underline. We really want to hear from you. What do you think about this unit? And in general, what you've been seeing in the market? So share with us your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
How to have fun outdoors and camping. This one might make it on both channels, right?
Outdoors and camping.
Outdoors and camping. I tell you what, I think I am going to put it on both channels because this is pretty cool. And if you got a little rock band, this might be what you want right here.
Yeah, like a rock and roll thing.
All right, let's do it.